Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Tuition. Today, we're diving into Amazon DynamoDB, AWS's fully managed NoSQL database. If you're building scalable apps and need speed, stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cloud tips. DynamoDB is a serverless, NoSQL database designed for high performance and scalability. It's perfect for apps needing low-latency data access, like gaming or e-commerce platforms. You don't manage servers, AWS handles everything, from scaling to backups. It supports key-value and document data models, so it's super flexible. First, DynamoDB scales automatically, handling millions of requests per second. It offers single-digit millisecond latency, which is crazy fast. You can choose on-demand or provision capacity to control costs. Plus, it has built-in security, encryption, and global tables for multi-region replication. Oh, and DynamoDB streams? They let you trigger actions based on data changes. Imagine a mobile game with millions of players. DynamoDB can store player profiles and leaderboards, scaling seamlessly as users grow. It's also great for IoT apps or real-time analytics. You focus on coding, not server management. That's DynamoDB in a nutshell. Fast, scalable, and serverless. Try it out on AWS's free tier. Drop your questions below, and I'll see you in the next video.